many different kinds of smoker. The wooden smoker, we have many different models from here to here. Okay. And this material is different. Example, this one, this is made by oak, and this one, this is made by beech, and this one is made by rubber wood. So the material is different. If you have your favorite material, you can contact us to customize your smoker. And you can see we also have different filters, the different size also for different smoker. And here, the different size of the wood chips cans. You can see it is used to put the wood chips. You can see the black, golden, and the silver one as you like. You can choose your favorite one. And the size is also different. You can see the big one and the small one. Here's also many different types of ice cubes, ice bar, and ice cube. And we have many different plastic tapes to catch them. Okay. And this one, this is a ice mold. Also have different color. Okay.